Trick or treat, Captain Mark. What's going on?
This is a treat. An inspected and polished chain plate. All the chain plates are out. We're putting the boat back together.
Back together
a month after we started in the yard. This is the reassemble.
This is exceptional then. This is the first part back together. There it goes. Gonna have to find some bolts, I guess. Most excellent. I think we should go inside and tell our viewers all about what we've done in the last month, because it's been a lot.
And the engine's out.
And the chain plate's in. We started putting the boat back together.
And the generator's out.
And the rig is off. We started a month ago, October 1st.
There are 2 holes in the boat.
For the bow thruster.
The bow thruster.
I know.
Getting a bow thruster.
Just getting it here was a bit of a challenge.
And we're
driving through town and getting around the bend here at Skagit Valley College.
Thanks, prepping.
So before we yarded the engine out or drilled the big hulls, what did we knew we were taking this boat completely apart.
That's why we took all the doors off, all the flats, all the cabinets that we could take out are taken out. It's replaced it with tools and things so we can work in here.
And totes and
we just started inspecting.
Inspection.
Some of the overhead has had to come out.
The engine was the big one, obviously, to get the transmission out and stuff. But we did little stuff. We did the inverter.
And we did big stuff to get the engine out. The pedestal, steering wheel, cables, controls all have to come out. They're gone. Replaced by a piece of plywood.
That's right. That's in the shop. That's going to go back together soon. That's our theme, putting the boat back together now. We're moving forward. Electrical students are designing an electrical system for all the science and data collection. Pulled out the old batteries. I mean,
the list is long. And people are working on the rig as we speak in another location.
Yeah. NCTA is working on the pedestal. Volunteers working, students working. But the beauty of it is this old girl, One Ocean, that's going to take us around the Americas, has good bones.
30 years old and really good bones. Nothing that said, oh, wait, wrong boat, anything else. Even the engine. 30-year-old engine with 8,000 hours on it has checked out completely.
Perfectly, yeah. And so, yeah, no rot, no water intrusion, no nothing. So we're going to put this boat back together.
Pretty exciting, and we started that today.
Today, 1 month in, October 31st.
Happy Halloween, man.
That's it. Definitely a treat and not a trick. We're going out. So thanks for watching, everyone.
More to follow.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.